Jai Shri Mataji. Now we are going to start with the vowels. As Shri Kundalini come inside the body, she starts making chakras and start writing on it. The first alphabet written on the Vishuddhi chakra is A. Next is A. Okay. The third, we make it a little stick, write a S, E, E. This is the difference. I put an arc on top of it. Like we made 2 cups there, we make 2 cups here, oo, and I add on a tail, oo. Okay, a long oo. Huh? So this is a, e, oo. To connect these alphabets to Sahasrar, I just add a dot. So this becomes Now what do I do after learning these alphabets? What I have here is sacred geography and the geography of the Virata. You can have it in English, mine is in Hindi. So we go to Vishuddhi Chakra because here is what they have taken. All the first alphabets are written. So this is Central America, is the center Vishuddhi. South America, and I'll wait for this to refocus. South America, Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary, Czech and Poland become the left Vishuddhi. Right Vishuddhi comes as North America, Canada, Norway, Sweden, Finland and Denmark. This particular set of countries make my Vishuddhi chakra. So what do? With the vowels which are written on Vishuddhi. Now I am doing on paper because I have to teach you, but you are going to do with your index finger of your right hand on the ground. What you have to use is index finger of your right hand, you have to do it on the ground. Om Tumev Sakshat Shri Ganesh Sakshat Shri Adi Shakti Mataji Shri Nirmala Devyai Namo Namaha. Now to vibrate Vishuddhi, I write the names of all the countries. South America, Bulgaria, Romania, Hungary, Czech, Poland, Central America, North America, Canada, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark. You can take all the names from the sacred Virata geography from Nirmal Fragrance. And now I give it a bandhan. Om Ang, in, साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देव्यै नमो नमः. And I leave it. Then again I draw another swastik. I write all Vishuddhis of the world. Om, Ang, Ang, In, साक्षात श्री आदिशक्ति माता जी श्री निर्मला देवी नमो नमः. Now I pray to Shri Mataji, Mother, please help all the Vishuddhis absorb the divine vibrations Mother Kundalini gave while writing these alphabets. Mother, let them absorb this vibration and grow in collective consciousness, collective awareness. Let the unity grow. Let the relationship be pure and divine. And Shri Mataji, please bless us with the divine vibration at all the Vishuddhis. Thank you, Shri Mataji. Jai Shri Mataji. Okay, so we ask for vibrations and vibrations to act on the geography and the collectivity. Just do this experiment and write me your experiences. Thank you. Jai Shri Mataji.